Hey everyone, remember ChatGPT? That super smart chatbot everyone was freaking out about? Well, Google just stepped up its game big time to compete. They've added some seriously cool features to their own AI. It's like a tech showdown. This is huge news in the world of artificial intelligence. Google and ChatGPT are like the top dogs in this race. They are both trying to build the smartest and most useful AI out there. This competition is going to change how we use the internet. Imagine talking to your computer like a friend and getting instant answers. That's what AI is making possible. It's going to be a wild ride, so buckle up and let's dive in. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about what makes these AI tick. At the core of these intelligent systems are algorithms and neural networks that mimic the human brain's structure and function. These networks are composed of layers of nodes or neurons that process data in a way that's inspired by our own biological neural networks. Google's AI is powered by something called deep learning. That means it's trained on a massive amount of data. Think of it like feeding a supercomputer all the information in the world. This data is processed through multiple layers of neural networks, allowing the AI to recognize patterns, make predictions, and even generate new content. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is built on a technology called a large language model. It's similar to deep learning, but it focuses more on understanding and generating human-like text. This involves training the model on diverse text data from books, articles, and websites, enabling it to understand context, grammar, and nuances in human language. Both of these technologies are super complex, but the important thing to remember is that they allow AI to learn and adapt like never before. Deep learning and large language models are at the forefront of AI research, pushing the boundaries of what machines can do. They enable AI to perform tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans, such as language translation, image recognition, and even creative writing. That's why we're seeing such amazing advancements in this field. From healthcare to finance, and from entertainment to education, AI is transforming industries and creating new possibilities. The ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately is revolutionizing the way we live and work. In the next section, we'll see how Google is using its deep learning prowess to take on ChatGPT. We'll explore the specific applications and innovations that set Google's AI apart and how it continues to evolve in the competitive landscape of artificial intelligence. So, what exactly has Google done to catch up with ChatGPT? Well, the tech giant has been hard at work, rolling out a series of impressive updates and features that are set to revolutionize the way we interact with AI. They've introduced some game-changing features to their AI platform. These updates are not just incremental improvements, they represent a significant leap forward in AI capabilities. First up, they've made their AI even better at understanding and responding to natural language. This means that the AI can now comprehend the nuances and complexities of human speech more accurately than ever before. That means you can talk to it more like a human and less like a robot. The AI's responses are more fluid, natural, and contextually aware, making conversations feel more genuine and less mechanical. It's all about making the interaction smoother and more intuitive. Whether you're asking for the weather, setting a reminder, or having a more complex query, the AI handles it with ease and grace. They've also integrated their AI more tightly with their search engine. This integration is designed to enhance the search experience by providing more accurate and contextually relevant results. This is a big deal because it allows Google to provide more relevant and personalized search results. The AI can understand the intent behind your queries better, offering answers that are tailored to your specific needs. Imagine typing in a question and getting a comprehensive answer right there on the search page. No more sifting through multiple links to find what you're looking for. But wait, there's more. Google has also made its AI more accessible to developers. This move is aimed at fostering innovation and enabling a broader range of applications to benefit from advanced AI capabilities. This means that other companies can now build their own AI-powered apps and services using Google's technology. The tools and resources provided by Google make it easier for developers to integrate sophisticated AI into their projects. This is going to lead to an explosion of new and innovative AI applications. From healthcare to finance, education to entertainment, the possibilities are endless. Google's advancements are not just about catching up, they're about setting the stage for the next wave of AI-driven innovation. Now, let's not forget about ChatGPT. It was the OG chatbot that took the world by storm. People were amazed by its ability to generate human-like text, write stories, and even code. ChatGPT's strength lies in its ability to hold a conversation. It can remember what you said earlier and use that information to provide more contextually relevant responses. It's also incredibly versatile. You can use it for a wide range of tasks, from getting help with your homework to generating creative content. ChatGPT's success has shown the world the power of AI and paved the way for other companies like Google to invest heavily in this technology. Section 5. Google versus ChatGPT, who wins? So the big question is, who wins in this AI showdown? Is it Google, with its vast resources and extensive data, or ChatGPT, with its conversational prowess and creative capabilities? Well, it's not that simple. The answer isn't black and white, and it really depends on what you're looking for in an AI. Both Google and ChatGPT have their own strengths and weaknesses. They excel in different areas and serve different purposes. Google's AI excels at understanding and organizing information. It's like a supercharged librarian that can find and sort through information at an incredible speed. It has access to a vast amount of data and can process it with lightning speed. This makes it incredibly efficient for tasks that require quick and accurate information retrieval. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is better at generating creative text formats and holding a conversation. It's like having a chat with a knowledgeable friend who can also write poetry, stories, and even code. Ultimately, the winner will depend on the specific application. Are you looking for an AI to help you with research, or do you need one to assist in creative writing or customer service? If you need to find information quickly and efficiently, Google's AI is the way to go. Its search capabilities are unparalleled, making it the best choice for data-driven tasks. But if you're looking for a more creative and engaging experience, ChatGPT might be a better choice. It can generate human-like text and hold conversations that feel natural and engaging. It's like comparing apples and oranges. Both are incredibly useful, but in different ways. Both are fruits, but they have different flavors and textures. Similarly, both Google and ChatGPT are powerful AI tools, but they serve different needs and preferences. In the end, the choice between Google and ChatGPT comes down to what you value more in an AI. Whether it's the speed and accuracy of Google or the creativity and conversational skills of ChatGPT, both have their unique advantages. So, who wins? The answer is, it depends on you and your specific needs. Both are winners in their own right, offering unique benefits that can cater to different aspects of our digital lives. Section 6. What this means for AI. The competition between Google and ChatGPT is great news for the field of AI as a whole. It's pushing both companies to innovate and develop even more powerful and sophisticated AI technologies. This rivalry will lead to faster advancements in areas like natural language processing, machine learning, and computer vision. We're already seeing the impact of this competition in our daily lives. Virtual assistants are becoming more intelligent, search engines are getting better at understanding our queries, and AI-powered tools are helping us automate tasks and make better decisions. Section 7. AI in your life. You might not realize it, but AI is already all around you. When you ask Siri or Alexa to play your favorite song, you're interacting with AI. When you get personalized recommendations on Netflix or Amazon, that's AI at work. AI is also being used in healthcare to diagnose diseases, develop new treatments, and personalize patient care. In finance, it's helping to detect fraud, manage investments, and provide better customer service. The possibilities are endless. As AI continues to evolve, it will touch every aspect of our lives. Section 8. The future of the AI face-off. So what does the future hold for Google and ChatGPT? It's safe to say that this AI arms race is far from over. Both companies will continue to invest heavily in research and development, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. We can expect to see even more sophisticated chatbots, more personalized and intelligent services, and groundbreaking applications of AI in fields like healthcare, education, and transportation. One thing is for sure, the future of AI is bright, and the competition between Google and ChatGPT is only going to make it brighter. Section 9. Buckle up, it's about to get interesting. The world of AI is moving at breakneck speed. Google's move to catch up with ChatGPT is just the beginning. As these tech giants continue to battle it out, we can expect to see some mind-blowing innovations in the years to come. So buckle up, folks, and get ready for the ride of your life. The AI revolution is here, and it's going to be epic.